Yeah, that is good. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Kenny here, if you're new here. Well, I just said my name's Kenny, and I'm building out a 1996 Chevy conversion van, and I'm also an addict in recovery, and that's what this channel is pretty much about. It's about my van and my life, and that's it. It's kind of a big day today. I ordered a 12-volt mini fridge for my van, and it's supposed to come in today, so we're gonna do the unboxing of that, as well as just some little work on the van. I gotta sit here and read my stuff, and we'll see y'all in a bit. Okay, so what's up, guys? I'm finally out here at the van. I've been laid up in the house. I haven't been feeling good, but I'm gonna get out here and try to get some of this done. I plan on getting this back part done, this overhead right here. And I got some wires that are going to run up here because there's going to be a light right here in the middle, and then after that I'm going to try to figure out a way to get this wall framed. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this light. This is what it looks like. It's just a little LED light. Has this cover that goes on it. Just takes some little bitty screws to hold it on, and that's it. So get these all hooked up and turn it on. Alright guys, so let's turn it on. There it is. Yeah buddy. Yeah buddy. And I got plenty of those. If that one goes bad, then I can replace it. And they're easy to replace. So okay, since I'm doing this back part right here this way, I had to find somewhere for the wires to go, because the wires they can't go anywhere. So I took my grinder and I cut this notch out right here on each side, and that way the wires can come through like so, and hopefully they do. But anyway, you get the idea, right? Okay, cool, right on. Okay, so there that is. That took forever. Only reason, well, it didn't take that long, but the reason it did is because, you know, you had to drill a hole, put a screw in, drill another hole, you know, because you had to put a screw in it to hold it in place while you did the other one. So, like, it was a pain in the butt. I still got I put one coat of stain on it last night, but it didn't really take that good for some reason. So I'm gonna put more stain on it and some polyurethane eventually. And but I just wanted to get this up, and I think it looks really good. Let me show you. Yeah, now that I got that covered up, I think it looks really good, guys. So yeah, and like all the angles and everything came out really easy. And the reason I cut them so long is because I plan on using 3/4 plywood to make the face for this cabinet back here. And what I'm going to do is I'll lay the piece of wood on these tongue and groove, and then I'm just going to draw a line all the way across, and then I can just cut it with my multi-tool all the way across, and these will tack nail down onto the piece of wood. So yeah, so it's gonna be pretty easy, and that's why they're so long. So we're just gonna put a few boards up, and we're gonna get this wall done tomorrow. I still gotta open something that I want y'all to see. I think it's pretty cool. I think that'll do good. So we're gonna leave off right there, and then we'll be able to finish framing this wall tomorrow, and maybe even put a couple pieces of tongue and groove up. So we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go inside now. What's up, guys? So I unboxed the fridge, and I want to show you what I got. So it's called a bodega, and it's got a little latch right here. It's got the temperature settings right here. It's got a settings button right here. It's got a power button right here. It's got a latch on it. This right here is the manual. It comes with a little ice tray that has a lid on it, and there's the owner's manual in there, the stuff that I need to know, and here's the crisper, and here's the freezer, and you can take, and it's got magnets on it, and so it'll stay up if you need it to. You can also take this out right here and make it bigger, and delete the freezer if you want to, but I probably won't be doing that because I like having a freezer. So and it's got magnets to keep it shut, which I think is really cool. And you got the door trays over here, you know, and everything. And you can also download an app on your phone and control the temperature and see how much power it's using and everything like that from your phone. And you can adjust the temperature, everything. It's just really cool. And so, and it is a 12-volt fridge. It's all 12 volt. And so yeah, so I'll be able to use it quite a bit, which is good. And so, yeah, but that's the fridge, man. And I'm really excited about it. And I'm thinking, put these stickers on here, and they do not come off easy. They do not. So it's gonna take me forever to get that off, but bodega. Yeah. But that's what I got today. And I needed the fridge, so when I do the cabinets, where the sink is and everything, I can know the dimensions of the hole I need to make for the fridge. And it's perfect size just for me, you know what I mean? And actually, you know, you could put enough in there to last, you know, for a week or so. About a week. And, you know, a few days, whatever, about a week. Yeah, I think so. I'm excited about it. The price wasn't good, but it's a good fridge, and I'm excited about it. So, but I'm bringing this video to an end right here, you guys, and hope y'all have had a good day. Hope y'all have a great night, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and all that good stuff. And much love and much peace, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.